Alright guys, we're settled in our blind. I'm perched up like a big fat chicken hawk looking around. My little buddy Sam is right here, my son. And he's sitting with me this evening. He's gonna try to be quiet, and when these critters come out, we're gonna try to let them have it with the Hoyt. I'm self-videoing, so anticipation is high. There's a giant boar in here, and there's some good deer in here too, so you never know. We might, hopefully, we can make this happen, so sit tight, we'll see what we see. Oh yeah. All right, guys, we just laid the hammer down on that hog, and he got in to 20 yards, and I'd been practicing a lot with my bow, and I felt confident, and it worked out just fine. He came in close enough to go for the headshot. I've always wanted to try a headshot with a bow, and that opportunity, I felt confident doing it, and I went for the headshot, and it dropped him like a sack of taters. I don't think he even moved. Sam, we did it, buddy. Give me those, buddy. And my boy's in here with me. It makes it that much sweeter. Sam's in here, and we're gonna get over here and put our hands on this hog. What do you think, Sam? Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So we got this old hog set up here, big boar hog, and you know the Hoyt performed. This is an older model Hoyt that I shoot, and I've had it for many years, and I've been practicing a lot, so I felt confident with that headshot.
Ew.
So I went ahead and went for it, and it dropped him. I love to dispatch him quickly, and you shoot a big old boar like this behind the shoulder, and there's no telling how far he's going to go. So real happy with that. And also I had Sam's with me, so he's 4 years old. He's my boy. I can't believe he sat still the whole time with that boar being, you know, 20-25 yards from us. So anyway, give me some knuckles, bub. Good job. High five. Big hog down. We're gonna have a happy farmer. All right, guys, I'm perched up like a chicken hawk. I'm in this little pop-up blind. You can see out this window. And I'm jacked up. I'm excited, hoping that one of these pigs, you know, comes out, and I'm gonna let them have it with the 300 Blackout. Let's get it going. Wow, those were some big pigs came out. I'm all shook up. That really got to me. They came out kind of growling there, and I got a good headshot on that hog, and so I went ahead and took it. I thought they might be on to me when they kind of threw their head up there. I thought they might have been on to me, but he's coming back. All right, guys, got this spoor down. He's a pretty good sized critter.
Found him.
Alright guys, I just dropped old Panda. He couldn't handle that. I put the crosshairs right between his eyes and let him have it. And he fell over right there. So that's the way I like to shoot these pigs anymore, is just shoot them in the head and they fall right over. Hopefully I got it on the Tacticam. I had it running, so I feel good about it. And we're gonna get down here and look at him and see what we got. Man, I was perched up like a big old fat chicken hawk looking around. I can see him coming through the timber. He looks a lot bigger than what I thought he was. So let's go look at him. Oh my gosh, guys, look at the size of this rascal. Big old noggin on him. You can tell where the bullet hole went in right here. That 30-06 really ate him up. I like to shoot him in the head, neck area. They really fall over when you hit them there. You hit a big boar like this behind the shoulder and he'll go and go forever. So I love that head neck shot on a hog if I'm confident in that shot. Of course I'll go for behind the shoulder if if that's all I got, but I like them facing me like that. Shoot them in this, anywhere in this head, and that bullet is going to go through the noggin there. So you know what, I don't know how old this critter is, but he's not getting any older. Alright guys, I'm all set up. I'm perched up like a chicken hawk looking around, and I'm hunting for wild pigs. I've got the 12 gauge loaded up with buckshot. It's actually double aught buck, so it's a 2 3/4 inch shell with 9 pellets. So I'm settled in here. It's real windy. I'm hoping this wind kind of covers my my noise and my scent. Hopefully I can get a shot off. There's probably a lot of wind swirl in this woodlot. But I'm looking for a close-up shot with the buckshot. So I'm gonna shut my trap and see if these pigs show, see if I can make something happen. Oh man, that worked just like I planned. That hog came out, I don't know, it might have been, it was inside 15. I would say, I don't have a rangefinder with me. I'd say 12, 13 yards right here. And the double aught buck just dumped that hog. So 12 gauge buckshot is sufficient on wild pigs in close quarters. I'm sitting in a lawn chair. Here's my gear, sitting in a lawn chair. Plan this out well. The wind was blowing today out of the north like I needed, and let's go get our hands on this pig. I love it when the plan comes together. Laying right here, let's go look. Here's my little setup. You can see my lawn chair sitting right there. I kind of had some cover. I strategically placed a few limbs in my way to have good cover, and I think that hog busted me right when before I squeezed the trigger. It might have been getting a scent at my scent, but here she is. I can't show you too much of that end. And it is a, let's see here. It's a little boar hog. So, awesome little pig. Should be a good eater hog. I'm gonna set it up here so we can get a better look. So here's a little boar hog. He came out just like he needed to, and this is a good little eater hog. It's going to be great. I'm going to get it dressed, get it quartered, get it on some ice, and have some good barbecue out of this hog. So I can't wait to get this thing on the grill. So, but anyway, he came out 15 yards, got me excited. It was very exciting having a critter on the ground that close. I'm going to say 13 to 15 yards. I don't have a rangefinder with me. I could step it off. I'd say inside 15 yards. And buckshot was sufficient. So 20 yards and in, I think buckshot is a very sufficient wild hog tool. All right, I'm perched up like a chicken hawk. Got me a really nice vantage point here. So there's a feeder out here, but I've got a real nice vantage point that I kind of planned out. So there's a cliff with a creek below me, and the wind feels just right. I think everything's just right. I just need him to show up with enough daylight left, you know, to get a shot. So I'm gonna shut up. I'm perched up like a chicken hawk, looking around, baby. It's go time. Alright guys, I love it when a plan comes together. Got this hog, got this big boar hog killed, and they just planted corn out here, so that'd be good for the crops. And you know, I had a landowner ask me if I could get this hog, and so big shout out to Patrick for letting me come out and you know, hunt this hog. So but he's a very large animal here, and quite a hunt there. He took that 30-06 real close to me there. It wasn't very far, and he came out a lot earlier than he has been coming out, which was wonderful. And I sounded off on a 30-06, and he took it and ran, and he was running in a direction kind of circling, so I grabbed my sidearm, and he was kind of finished him off with the sidearm. Alright guys, we just got in here and we got set up. We're in pursuit mode, full pursuit mode here, sitting on our butts, perched up like some big fat chicken hawks. We're looking up here at the feeder, and Doug's over here. Are you ready? Think baby hippo will show?
I think so.
Yeah, I think he'll show too.
Maybe right before dark.
So we're everything's set up right. Hopefully baby hippo will show, and a big shout out to the Double G Ranch. We appreciate y'all letting us come out here and chase these critters. So Double G Ranch, yeah.
Stickers off my hat. Dropped him. We sat there for a little bit and we had a deer come out. Once the deer started approaching the feeder, deer went on alert and he came walking out, and about as far as he went. So we took the 6.5 Creedmoor, let it do what it always does. We got this big pig on the ground.
Oh man. Bunch of hogs just came out right there, and I dropped the 22 dropped him, and I was trying to follow up on another hog, and I had a big one come 5 feet from me here. I don't know if I got that on, if I got it or not, but he came 5 feet from me, and anyway, that was intense, very intense hunt, and I got a little eater hog down. So the 22 is sufficient at at hog hunting. Got some pork, bacon, ham, whatever you want to call it. Big nasties down.
Big.
He's coming this way.
Yeah, we're going to get set up in the gun. Stop.
Wait on me.
Tell me when.
I'm good anytime. Whenever y'all are ready, go for it.
You got it. Rob, you got the count. I'm on safety. I'm ready. Slim, you ready? Hold on, they're behind the boss boat. Okay, I'm ready when you are. Which one are you on?
Good anchor, kid. Good anchor.
Forget about it.
Did we just drop 4 pigs at the same time?
I busted mine right in the dome, son. That's all I do is shoot him in the
But there
face.
were
Got
4.
one kicking. Got one kicking.
I think one ran off.
He's doing that Shumanik shuffle. Yeah, I thought one cut off to the left.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna stand up so I can get a little better view.
Okay.
That one's kicking me. Throw one in.
No, he's just digging under the ditch. Yeah.
I already learned my lesson with that yoke. Cameraman, tell me you got that.
I'm perched up like a big old fat chicken hawk, just looking around, about to wear these eyeballs out, baby. Man, I just snuffed him hard. That whole bunch of hogs came out. They may come back now. That whole bunch of hogs came out and I picked a little juicy young one out. Are you on it or can you see it? I'm on it. Okay, let me put you on. Get your finger on the trigger. Alright, can y'all go 5, 4, 3 and shoot at the same time or not? Yeah, I'm on it. You gotta do it. Are you on him, Les?
I can't really hold steady, but yeah.
You ready, Hunter? Huh?
Yeah.
5, 4. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed our video. We're gonna just keep chasing critters, and this is kind of a compilation style video, you know, of our recent pig kills. And what's your favorite to chase, Sam? Big ones, little ones?
I like big ones.
Big old hogs?
And big deers.
I kind of like the little ones, just
too.
cause
Yeah,
they fit whole on the smoker, and
Yeah. Me too.
they're really good eating, the little ones.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
what else? You got anything else you want to say, Sam? Tell them thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, we appreciate y'all guys watching. We hope to see y'all in the next video. We're excited. We're going to bring you a lot of good content. Did you just fart? Alright, guys, we had to cut the video. Like,
Cut a cheese.
we had to cut the video because we cut the cheese.
Yeah,
Anyway.
there is not cheese.
Well, we hope to see y'all guys on the next video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and we're excited to bring you a bunch of content, good content, and anyway, hit some subscribe button. We hope to see you on the next video.
Over and out.